Hi, I'm Dee from Dee Lovey Life, and today I'm going to share with you an easy 30-minute healthy meal.
To make penne with mushrooms, hot Italian turkey sausage, and broccoli dish, you're going to need 1/4 pound of hot Italian turkey sausage, 1 9 or 10 ounce package of white mushrooms cleaned and sliced, 4 cups of broccoli florets, 1 garlic clove, but we love garlic, so I opted for 2. 4 cups of penne pasta. You can also select whole grain or gluten-free. 3/4 of reduced sodium chicken broth or any kind of chicken broth you have on hand. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. I pulled a lemon from our tree. Crushed red pepper to taste if you prefer. It does give it a nice flavor. And lastly, 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese. I love any kind of 30-minute meal. I think we could all agree we have those days where we just don't have enough time to spend hours in the kitchen prepping and cooking, especially if you're a full-time family caregiver like me. Today is one of those multitasking days, including dinner in between everything else. I made this dish several times now, and it's super easy and delicious. First, get your pots filled with water to come to a quick boil. While those are started, I'm going to prep the 4 cups of broccoli florets. I make sure that the pieces of the broccoli are in bite size, especially for my mom, Queen G. Next, place the broccoli into the pot to cook. As my pot full of water for the pasta is heating up, I like to sprinkle in some salt to help the water boil faster, and it enhances the flavor of the pasta. I also like to add olive oil to the pot, since this will be an oil-based blend pasta and will make the dish even more easier to mix at the end. So I'm pouring about 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Again, it's just going to help it mix towards the end. You'll see. Cover to help it boil faster as well. Let's get the non-skillet pan heated up to about medium heat for the turkey sausage next. Recipe calls for 1/4 pound of hot Italian turkey sausage. This package was 1.22 pounds, so I will only need 2 links out of the 5 links in this package. And then I'll bag the other links for another dish later. Carefully remove the castings, if any. Obviously, if you can find a package that's already grounded hot Italian turkey sausage, that would be much better and can quickly speed up this process. I'm going to cut the links into smaller pieces to help cook faster, and later I'm going to break it up even more in the pan when cooking. The water for the pasta is now at a boil, so it's time to add 4 cups of the penne pasta. I'm only going to do 3 in about 1/4 cup because this is going to be plenty for just the 3 of us. Next, add the hot Italian turkey sausage to the preheated nonstick skillet pan and cook until golden brown on medium heat. As that is cooking, clean and slice the 9 ounce to 10 ounce package of your white mushrooms. I suggest to purchase the prepared, already cleaned and sliced, but as you can see, I'm using what I have. This video is part of a HOP collaboration of easy 30-minute meals. Check in my description box on who to hop to next for another easy 30-minute meal like this. I'm going to add the hop for you at the end of this video, so don't you worry. I have been really getting into cooking lately, can't you tell? Let me know in the comments below if you showed up from the Hop collaboration and from whose channel. What a fun way to gain new recipes and new YouTuber channels to watch. From hopping to one video to someone else's video, then hopping to the next video, and so on. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This recipe is super easy. You can add all sorts of different vegetables. I also make a similar dish but using regular hot Italian sausage. I'll have to make another video for that, but make sure you check out my other cooking videos and meal planning videos if you like those type as well. Okay, our household loves garlic. So I'm going to mince up 2 garlic cloves instead of 1. You can use as many as you prefer. The hot Italian turkey sausage is all ready and to be placed and drained onto a paper plate. And then we'll toss in the mushrooms to that pan. Cook until they are golden brown, about 5 minutes. Pasta was finished and drained, and next we'll add the garlic and cook, stirring it until it's fragrant, about 30 seconds. And this really smells amazing. Oh. Now it's time to mix everything together. We're going to add the cooked and drained broccoli, the hot Italian turkey sausage, the 3/4 cups of chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, then crushed red pepper flakes to taste. How much is up to you. I suggest starting with a teaspoon, then add more if you like. Mix and let cook for just about a minute. Stir in the cooked penne pasta and mix well, letting all the ingredients and flavor just heat up thoroughly. Just mix it really well. It smells so amazing. And lastly, add the 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. I mean, who does not love cheese? Then you're just going to cover and you're going to let it stand for about another 2 minutes, letting it get happy with all the flavors. And that's it. I mean, pretty simple. 30 minutes. Yum.
It is so good. I hope you guys try it.
Don't worry, I wrote down the recipe in the description box below. Let me know if you tried this recipe, an easy 30-minute healthy meal.
It turned out so delicious. I absolutely love this dish. It's super easy and it's pretty healthy if you use the turkey sausage. If you like these type of videos, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if this is something that you want to try. Thanks so much for joining me. Please make sure you click on the next hop in the description down below so you don't miss out on any really good 30-minute meals from my friends. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.
I would love it if you click that subscribe button to my channel if you haven't already done so, and make sure to check that description box for the next hop link video, or click this here end card for the next easy 30-minute meal.